Many of you are at home late night after you've worked like a mule and you're just wondering how you can get out of that current situation. That's what I was thinking. And every night I'm going to the internet, doing my research on schools and just seeing how I can change the trajectory of my career. I just wanted to do something that would elevate my career path. This program has hands down changed my life. It's changed the trajectory of my career in ways that I didn't think imaginable. And honestly, I owe it all to the MBA program. That came with confidence building, being confident to walk into high-level executive meetings, understanding, not just in the field of marketing, but in finance, in economics, and all of those things that people talk about in the corner office. New Jersey is the epicenter of healthcare, and healthcare leadership can be intense, but Rutgers prepares you for that.